What's up, guys? Today we're going to do an Apple collection showcase. Today I will be including my Macs here and here. So let's start with the iPod Classics. Those are the full-size iPods. This is the first gen iPod. It's a 5GB model. A 4th gen iPod 40GB model is the monochrome model. And the video 5.5 gen 40GB. It's a black one. Also, we have got a black 160GB iPod Classic 7th generation. And the iPhone 4 with its broken camera lens. I'll fix that later. It's running on iOS 4.3.3. It's a black 32GB. And we got a iPhone 5 running iOS 6.0.1. It's a 16GB white model. And iPod Touch Blue, it's a 32GB on iOS 10.2.1. And we got our iPod Mini, 4GB, it's the 2nd generation, blue. And a Shuffle 1st generation, 512MB. And a 8GB iPod Nano, it's a black one too. So here we got a 3GS running on iOS 3.1.3. It's a 16GB, it's a white model. A iPhone 4, and we have a iPhone 4 running iOS 5.1.1, and it is in perfectly condition, so 16GB black. Here we got a iPhone 4S on iOS 5.1.1, 16GB, it's a white model. Now we have got a iPhone 5 on iOS 6.0, a black one, 32GB. A iPhone 5S is a gold model on iOS 7.0.4, 16GB, running on iOS 7. And a super scuffed up iPhone 6 running on iOS 9.3. And a iPhone 6S running iOS 9.3.4. And here we got the special items, a 2G 8GB in mint condition on iOS 1.1.1 with the original box. And here's the original box, 8GB. And here is the 3G 16GB on iOS 2.0 with its original box too. And here we come to the bigger devices. We have an iPad 1. Unfortunately, there's no battery inside. And here is the iPad 1. It's a 16GB Wi-Fi model. And the iPad Pro 9.7 Space Gray 128GB. And now we come to our Macs. Here is my iBook G4. 2004 model 12-inch. And here we have our 2010 unibody white MacBook with 4GB of RAM and a 250GB SSD. And here's my main device, my MacBook Pro 15-inch Retina 2015. And also here recording is a iPhone 7, 128GB. Matte black, and thanks for watching, and peace.